in the vlog today, man?
We on a boat.
Yeah.
See us. We live in lavish. My baby on a boat.
Here like a little blue ball. One and only, man, the hottest Latino, man. From the Carolinas to Atlanta to Miami. Yeah, baby, you know what I'm saying? You know how we do, man. We live it up. That's all we do, man. You know what I'm saying? That's all you see on my channel. We having a good time. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the comment section. Make sure you subscribing, baby. You know what I'm saying? We out here, baby. How you feel about being on the boat?
That's good.
Did you ever think about this growing up? Like,
Nah.
damn, man. Changed your life completely, man. Hey! Yeah, get the life jacket. Life jacket. My baby boy on the boat. We got I Love Friday right here, man. You know, we're here chilling, man.
Living a good life, of course.
Living a good life, man.
Yes, sir. Oh, I thought this was the top. There's a top.
Yeah. We at the top.
Oh man, y'all living good, man. Y'all living real good.
A few days ago, you said you wanted to get on a boat, man. I know you guys probably wondering how much this costs. Well, we got this and some jet skis for $2,100. You know what I'm saying? A little over $2,000. You see, man, we got my son here, we got my girl here, we got my friends here, man. Just living life, man. That's what we should, man. That's what we should. Look in Miami, man. My life is crazy, guys. We're on the way to the jet skis, guys. The jet skis. It's crazy, man. This vlog, you know what I'm saying? We're starting it out lit, man. Lit. I'm telling them, you know, we're on the way to the jet skis right now. We got a bottle of Moet waiting on us, too.
Got a bottle of more wet. You know, we live in lavish.
Let me say, shout out to YouTube. Shout out to OnlyFans.
Especially OnlyFans.
Shout out to us, because this is what we do, man. Yo, man, we about to get on the jet skis, man. Bro, you ready?
Fast.
Bro, this is.
Hey, you trying to race, bro?
Shit, I'm down, bro.
You think you gonna beat me?
You trying to put money on it?
Hey, I'm trying to put money on it. How much money are we trying to put on that?
Alright, look. We're gonna put $1,000 on it.
We're gonna put 1,000. A rackety.
$1,000 on it.
Yeah. That shit on it.
Alright, man.
Let's
guys,
see how it goes.
Let's see. This is your first time, too, man.
It's my first time.
Jennifer right here, you know, she's gonna watch Baby Royal for us, man. Thank you. I'm about to get the GoPro though because you know we can't mess this camera up, man. So yeah, let's get it. Bet. Me and Hannah gonna race I Love Friday right over there, man. We're gonna race right quick. Alright guys, we're about to race. Yo, you ready? You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, hold it. Alright, let's go. Let the ladies drive, man. Oh yeah, they're right there, man.
Ready?
Hold up, man.
Just hold on to this strap.
What strap?
This strap.
Hold on to this.
Yeah.
That's all I got. Hell no, bro. I ain't trying to die, man.
Got it?
Yeah, don't not kill me, man. I got a whole future ahead of me, man. Jetski shit was fun though. What you doing right here?
Growing up.
On a yacht? Miami, baby.
You see us.
We still got the bottle of Moet. We gotta pop open real quick though. We gotta pop it open, man. Guys, man, this is crazy, man. I did not think about being on a boat by Miami, man. This is all Hannah's little doing. Her idea.
It's my idea.
Yeah, man. I guess these guys don't want to smoke on the boat.
Stuff like that. Miss Artson. Miami in the background. Cha-ching.
They know they cool. I'm cool.
Yo, bro, look. So, I think you owe me $1,000, bro.
I think you started early.
Nah, bro. Nah, look.
You didn't start early?
We can look at the footage again, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, you know I'm a man of my
Hannah,
word.
what you think, though? What do you think?
We won.
Alright, well, I'm a man of my word. Man.
Quick stack, man. Quick stack.
Alright, you know, I'm gonna have to win that back, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to win that back.
Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that, okay? He just lost a bet.
I just lost $1,000 bet. $1,000 bet.
Yeah,
And-
how was that?
He beat me on the jet skis.
Oh, no way.
Beat me on the jet skis, man.
Little
I'm gonna get him back though. I gotta see. There's another boat trying to race us or something.
You guys do that often? Do those kind of bets?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna start doing it more. Gotta win my money back now.
Oh, it was a serious bet?
Yeah, serious.
Yeah, very
She
serious.
just gave him the money.
That is crazy.
I would be crying right now, let me tell you. If I lost like that, I'll be crying. On a jet ski race.
The jet ski
Well,
race.
you could argue that, hey, 2 different jet skis, 2 different motors.
Oh, I like how he's coming. I like how he's
I got the footage, bro. I got the footage, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe you had the disadvantage right away and you didn't know it.
Maybe I did. But what do you say to that?
Look,
You know?
look.
He was with a horse, you were with a camel. You know?
Seemed like a
Look,
cow.
bro. We're just going to go do something else another
Okay.
time, and then you know we'll bet again or
We
something.
might have to go to Nevada.
What's out there?
I know.
Gamble.
Yeah, I
Oh, true, Las Vegas.
casino?
Like, I'll do a gamble.
Oh, okay.
Look, guys, I'm happy. You know what I'm saying? We all got able to come to Miami. You feel me? Like
it's
right
been
here
a
with you.
pleasure.
Yeah.
Celebrate love on Valentine's Day.
Yeah, man. I appreciate y'all coming for the show, man.
Nothing came out.
But that was loud
I
though.
ain't shake it up though.
Pull up, drink, get shot, drink, sit down, drink, stand up, drink, pass out, drink, wake up, drink, feed, drink, feed,
Alright,
drink.
Nigga, guys. Look, man. Cheers, man. Appreciate y'all, man. We doing our thing, man. So we growing. We going up.
Going up.
Live and laugh.
Yo, man, this was lit. What you guys
That
think,
was
man?
definitely lit. Gotta run the jet skis again.
Show, man.
Super lit. Now I'm finna go get super full.
Man, follow them on TikTok, man. You know
Yeah,
what I'm saying?
man. I Love Friday on TikTok.
With the check, so you know it's us.
Check.
Verified.
What we doing now?
We're gonna go wash and then get food.
We at the mall again, man. See, I got Roy strapped on me, man. That boy needs some shoes, though.
You don't need no shoes. You don't need no shoes.
So look, we just gonna try to find him something to wear right quick, or like, you know, like some kicks, some fresh kicks, man. You know, while we're here in Miami, why not? We're at Gucci right now, so let's see.
Because Atlanta doesn't have a kids clothes for Gucci.
Little Gucci hat.
Ooh, that's too big. I mean, that's too small.
Boy, you got a big head. So we here at Gucci, guys, man. We're trying to find Baby Royal a pair of kicks, man, you see. I'm thinking one of these two right here, man. I don't know. You know, but as he gets older, you know, he gonna be dripped out. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
He gonna be dripped out.
Sure.
Which one you like better, baby? You like this one? Or do you like this one? Or do you like this one better? Grab this one. You don't like this one? That's fire. What about this one, baby? I think he likes this one. Yeah, he don't want to grab this one. Well, nah, he did. Indecisive. Alright, man. Once again, we out, man. We out and about.
Yeah, that would have been better.
Hey, Royal. Look at Royal trying to grab a drink.
Probably got those like that.
You ain't old enough to drink yet, man.
I got the frosé. You feel me?
The frosé? Baby, your food is coming. Your food is coming. Calm down. But you can't have none of that, man. That's big boy drinks, man. This is what you can drink right now. Okay. He just want to feel like he's part of the crew, man. Like, you see everybody drinking something, he want to drink too. Shout out to I Love Friday, man. Yo, Miami has been lit, man. You know.
Definitely.
Look at that, man. Look at that, man. It's raining out here, man. We outside with it. Man, I hate anytime we take a trip. It sucks that we have to.
Last day is the worst.
Yeah.
But I don't know. To me, I like going out, but then like when it gets close to time to go back home, I'm like ready because I kind of miss home. Like I don't know.
You miss home?
Like my house, like being in my home, like my own home. Like,
Yeah, this Airbnb was definitely lit.
Yeah.
I would
are way better than hotels.
I would get this Airbnb again. But yeah, guys, we've had a great time here in Miami, man. I've had fun.
Yeah, I've had fun.
I've had fun since the first night we got here. You feel me? Like, yeah, everybody has. Shout out to I Love Friday, man. You know, they left early this morning. They had to catch an early flight. But yeah, guys, we might get something to eat before we leave Miami. Did you have fun here in Miami? Came to the beach right quick, guys. You know, being that we wasn't able to go this past couple of days, we're having too much fun doing other stuff. It's nice for sure, guys, man. We ain't trying to get dirty though, so we ain't about to get all up in the ocean and shit. But damn, man, Miami's been lit, guys. We appreciate y'all, man. You feel me?
We love y'all. Make sure y'all continue to like, comment, subscribe, support us.
For sure. Subscribe to her channel too.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my OnlyFans. Get it right. If you ain't get it right, you're gonna get left.
You ready to go back to Atlanta, or you trying to get some food right quick?
I'm always hungry.
I ain't ready to go back to Atlanta yet. Royal. Say hey. Hey, let go.
Give me that camera, please.
Yo, guys, so we just ate. Man, we're full, man. We're full, man. You ate a lot.
I know. I always eat.
Yeah.
I'm always eating.
Let's go, man. Look, guys, shout out to this restaurant called the Big Pink. It's a big pink building.
Big Pink.
Yeah. So, it's been lit here in Miami, man.
Now
The weather's beautiful.
time to go back to some cold ass Atlanta weather.
Facts.
Let's see what the weather is over there.
Cold. Raining probably right now.
So it's about 80 degrees here. In Atlanta, it's 46 degrees. 46.
46, damn.
46. Not raining though, but it's still cold as fuck.
Well, I guess back to Atlanta we go. But it's definitely been a fun
Yeah.
Fun couple nights, man. You know what I'm saying? Our Airbnb host, man, she was lit.
She was.
You know, my cousin Chink
I was on some other.
was on some other shit. We went on a freaking yacht.
A private
A private yacht. I won $1,000 from Xeno from that little race.
1K, quick little 1K.
You know, we've been eating good every single day.
Can't complain. Can't complain.
I love Miami, man.
Yeah, I
For
do
sure.
too. It's just I'm not really feeling the food out here. It hurts my stomach. I don't know if it's because I'm not from here. But it hurts my stomach.
Alright,
If
well,
you get
let's
my
take
Jeep.
you home. Let's take you home. You ready?
Yep.
About to go home.
I'm
About to go
about to
home.
jump in the little thing, little pool.
Hey, Elena, here we go.